Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the incredible journey of Aryan Malhotra. From the narrow lanes of Kolkata to becoming a self-made billionaire. This is one story you don't want to miss. Aryan grew up in a lower middle-class family. His dad was a schoolteacher, barely managing the bills, and his mum worked as a tailor. Despite the financial hardships, Aryan was ambitious. He dreamed of financial freedom, but without capital, guidance, or support from his family, he felt stuck. At 21, after completing his B.Com degree, Aryan landed a Rs 25,000 month job at a corporate firm. His family celebrated, but deep down he knew a salary would never make him wealthy. He needed to learn how money worked. One day he stumbled upon a book, The Richest Man in Babylon. This book changed his entire perspective on wealth building and investing. Aryan realized rich people don't work for money, they make money work for them. Instead of living paycheck to paycheck, he made a financial plan. He saved 50% of his salary and lived frugally. He invested in the stock market, studying companies and analyzing financial statements. He started with Rs 5,000 investments. He developed multiple income streams, freelancing, blogging and stock trading. Within 2 years, Aryan's savings grew and his investments started yielding profits. By 25, Aryan had saved Rs 10 lakh and his stock portfolio was worth Rs 15 lakh. With new financial confidence, Aryan took a leap of faith and quit his job. He started an investment consulting firm, Wealth Wizards, to help middle-class people understand saving, investing and achieving financial freedom. How did he do it? He used social media marketing to build a strong following by posting free financial advice on LinkedIn and Instagram. He hosted webinars and courses on investing for beginners. He invested in real estate, buying his first rental property with stock market profits. Within 3 years, Wealth Wizards had 50,000 plus clients and generated Rs 2 crore plus in revenue. At 30, Aryan had Rs 10 crore in investments, multiple properties and a thriving business. Today, at 35, Aryan is a self-made billionaire with a financial empire. He has written books, appeared on TV shows, and launched an investment app. Reflecting on his journey, Aryan realized wealth is built through patience, discipline, and smart investing. Your salary won't make you rich, your investments will. Starting small is better than not starting at all. One day, as he donates Rs 1 crore to an education charity, he remembers his old struggles. Financial freedom isn't about being rich, it's about having control over your life. So, what's the moral of Aryan's story? Invest early. Time is your greatest asset. Save aggressively, invest wisely. Multiple income streams equal financial security. A job is a stepping stone, not the final destination. Wealth is a mindset, not just numbers. Feeling inspired? Let's get started on your journey to financial freedom today. If you want to hear more success stories, let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep hustling and stay inspired.